Well, hi, Region 10. I hope everything has gone well this summer and you are rocking this new 18-19 school year already. I've seen lots of Facebook pages that have pictures and all kinds of exciting stuff for the students this year. It really gets us going here at Region 10, knowing that all of these wonderful things are going on in our districts after such a fantastic summer. So this recording is for the August 31st of 18 school year mass meeting. I am Samantha Bradbury. My partner is Dr. Holly Bishop, who isn't with me right now, but I wanted to let you all know that we are not going to be present for the 31st, only because we have already been dedicated to our staff forum meeting, and we wanted to make sure that we sent on some good vibes your way to let you know that we are wishing you a great start to the school year, best wishes for sure, and that we are here to continue to support you as you move with your students through the 18-19 school year. So just to kind of recap on the summer, great road shows. Want to send a thank you out to McKinney, Crandall, Greenville, Ennis, and Sherman. Thank you so much for hosting us this past summer. We were able to impact so many teachers and students coming this school year due to your willingness to host us in your various districts. Thank you so much. It really made a difference for us to reach those teachers throughout the summer months. So hopefully your teachers were able to join us and experience some of the things we are offering, but not to worry, we are offering some of those same sessions here throughout the fall and into the spring semester. Speaking of offerings, most of you knew that the Abrams building was down this last year. Well, it is back. The construction has been completed as of 2018 August, and we are so excited about the new technology and the things that have gone in to allow us to better serve our LEAs in the Dallas Metroplex. The downside coming this fall is the Spring Valley building will now be down. So we won't be offering many sessions here as we are going to be converting our conference rooms and things to better suit today's adult learner. So be anticipating and let your teachers know that a majority of the sessions will now take place at our newly completed Abrams building. Some other things to talk about. We have the TEAC streamlining that has been in the works for quite some time now. Those TEACs are now active, and to my knowledge, TEA has let us know they're going to publish a supporting document on August 27th. So be looking for that through their online resources. I would anticipate it would be right where the draft has been. If your teachers didn't get a chance to come to a roadshow, I did a TEACS streamlining session for them. At each one of the road shows, we repeated that session many times. I had lots of teachers come in. They were very excited about the new tools that are available. Please send them my way. I have an online session that is worth 3 CPE hours. They can do the PD on their own time. It will count towards their CPE, and it will take them through the TEAC streamlining session in an online format, and will expose them to the tools that I provide to them through that online training. To find the online training, I've got our webpage pulled up for you. There are some new features on here. Please make sure your teachers are logging into the Region 10 ESC Works. To do that, they need to go to workshop registration and log into their account and make sure that they update everything. There's a quick link here. All of the sessions they can find through here. If they just search for keyword science for face-to-face, so this is only face-to-face sessions here, they should be able to find anything that we're offering this fall, and I'll go to that, back to that in just a minute about fall offerings. But for TEAC streamlining, they need to go to the Online Learning Center here at the top of the screen, and they can search for the course, looking for, it's called Adjusting to Change. So if I look on my dashboard, Here is the title of the course, Adjusting to Change Science TEKS Streamlining. They are welcome to enroll. Title II co-op are free. It's included with the co-op contract. If you are a district that is not contracted Title II with us, the cost per teacher is $30. It's $10 per credit hour for online courses. So if you have a teacher that you need to send through the training, just let me know and I can put you in touch with folks that can get your teacher signed up, have the charges remedies, and so on. So please let me know about that if that is a need. So there's lots of tools for them to use through that training that will help them navigate the TEKS streamlining extremely well. There are on the TEA webpage some updates that I received. The new 8th grade, the reference materials are there. I don't know if anyone needs that, but as of June 29th, that was updated, along with your blueprints and your performance level descriptors. Well, those are old. They should be updating those is what I meant to say, but your blueprint is there. So I would encourage you to look at those blueprints. There have been some changes as far as question number in biology, and then it also shows how the numbers work out in each area. Science sessions. I am still looking for districts to host cluster sessions this year because we are still down a building. So if you are interested in hosting a cluster session, and a cluster session is a session where you allow districts from outside of your own teachers to register and join. We set that up through our ESC Works system for teachers to register. Please let me know. I'm happy to come to your districts. Royce City, Rockwall, Frisco ISD, lots of districts offered up to host us in their area, and I so much appreciated that because it allowed me to still reach our science teachers even with the limitations that we have here at the center. And honestly, it made me more accessible because I was able to come to you. As we all know, Region 10 is in a very congested area and can make it hard to get here. So please let me know if that interests you. Also, we do have our fall schedule out. You will need to search science. Go back to that ESC Works on the main web page to search for that information. And just search science and it'll bring it up. If you need more updates and you're not receiving schedules and things, I would highly recommend that you go to the science page. Go under our, sorry, it's taking its time getting there. Go under our service offerings. And if you will go under professional development opportunities, scroll down to the bottom. This is where you can sign up for the science listservs. This is where we send free information about classes from UTD or UTA or any of the local partnerships that we have that offer free things for teachers or classes for teachers, computer science, things of that nature. So please make sure that your teachers are on the listserv. That's really important. That allows us to communicate. If you need to email me, all you have to do is click on my name or click on the email and it will open up a new page for you and allow you to email me. Dr. Bishop, you can also email her. She is still in Supporting Science as our STEM coordinator. Just some things to think about. So inquiry, interactive student notebooks. I'm actually creating an online version of that. Reaching kids every day through Flip This Class might be of interest to you. So if you're not sure about the sessions and if you want to know the hours, like how many hours each session is, you guys know that you can email me or Dr. Bishop and talk with us about what you think would be the best fit for your districts. We would love to hear from you. Some other updates from TEA. So I recently had my TETN, which is our TEA webpage update. So the PAMEST Award, that is still going on. As most of you know, this is under the direction of the White House. Texas candidates serve as finalists for the National Presidential Award of Excellence in Math and Science. So if you have someone that you feel needs to be acknowledged as a finalist or in recognition of their accomplishments, these are some things that if chosen from the state, this is what they receive more information. You can always go to the webpage. Some of you already know about all this. One of our awardees from 2016 was a teacher from Keller ISD. And there's some information listed there. Trinity Meadows Intermediate School is where she's from. This is a press release. So when they did their awards ceremony and all of the teachers that were included. For the 2018 finalists, we actually have a Plano ISD teacher that has finalized here. Celine, congratulations to you as the 3rd grade science and math at Barksdale Elementary School. We are so proud. We have Argyle and also Tomball ISD. Those are from other areas of the state. So congratulations to Brenda and Allison as well. Applications for 2019. So if you're thinking of that teacher right now, 2019 applications, deadline is May 1st of 2019. So they have time. Go ahead and start that application. It can be a little tedious. It is long, but if you know that they should be recognized in their craft, please, it's for 7th through 12th grade teachers and CTE or technology application courses. In Texas, eligible teachers who submit an application by that deadline will earn 25 CPE credit hours. I mean, can't get much better than that. So please have them go to the webpage, check it out, and apply. The other update that I received was on interim assessment tools. Now, many of you may be aware this last year, 2 of the core areas had their own interims, which was grades 3 through 8 reading, 3 through 8 math, and then you had Algebra 1, English 2, and English 1 at the high school level, and that there were Spanish tests available for 3 through 5 in reading and mathematics, not high school. So this year, those assessments are being provided. Next year is when they're going to implement 5th, 8th, and biology for us. Just so you know, this is an online test from what I understand. It is optional. It's not mandatory. The tool is available to public districts and charter for free. The tool provides actionable data. It's got an online platform, user-friendly. Here's an example question that they provided for us so you can see what it tends to look like. And then here is some information from the pilot. So we had more than 400,000 tests were completed this last year in the pilot districts that they did it in. And I don't have the list of those districts. I'm not sure who that is. I might be able to find out if you're curious. I have the contact information though for the student assessment group. 87% of the respondents agreed that students, so they worked with teachers very closely because that's who this impacts the most other than students. They were able to easily navigate through the online format and assessment. 77% of respondents believe that the TEKS level reporting would be very valuable to them. It will allow them to adjust. So this feature is on full launch for August of 2018 for reading and math in those subjects areas, in those levels that I had mentioned. But just keep in mind, it will be available for 5th, 8th, and biology. And I'm so excited about that because I think it will help some of our districts adjust a bit more to get ready for those STAR tests in those grades. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that is really all I have for right now. The next couple weeks, I'll be here in the office. If you need to talk to me for any reason, the best way to get a hold of me is via email. I do have my phone available, 972-348-1512. If I am not here, my admin assistant will answer my call during regular business hours. But if you need to speak with me about something concerning TEKS streamlining, schedules, PD requests, any of those kinds of things, please feel free to email me. We try to respond within about 24 hours. And I will do my very best to service you to the best of my ability, as I always do. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you have a wonderful mass meeting kicking off this 2018-19 school year, but I do hope to see you all here at the Service Center very, very soon. Come see us. Thanks.